Hello class 2, welcome to computer class again. This is from your computer book, chapter 2, Uses of Computers. We learnt a little bit about this when we were in class 1, and we will learn a little more details about where and how computers can be used. So I'm going to read and please follow along with me. A computer is a very useful machine. We learnt this word in class 1, we learnt it in chapter 1. We can do many things on it. Now here, can you tick some of the things you have done on a computer? You must have done typing. So we have played games, we store photos, we've sent emails, and we have watched movies and listened to music. So all of these things you have done on a computer. A computer can store, which means keep, information. Now this is a new word for you, so learn the spelling for this. Information tells us something about a person or a thing. For example, the name and price of a book are information about the book. A boy's name, age, and class are information about him. We use the information stored in a computer in many different ways, in different places. Now, let us learn how computers are used in different places. So now we will see some of these names, lists of places, and how we use them. So first, starting with, we use computers at home, and you can see the photo of a small boy using a computer in his house. We use it to work on projects. This is another new word for you. So underline it, learn the spelling. And for finding information on things. For drawing, listening to music, watching movies, and shopping. We use computers in schools. For teaching, for showing pictures and videos, for making report cards, notices, and timetables. Where else do we use computers? In shops. For making bills, for storing information like the price and quantity of each thing the shop sells. So we use them in shops. We also use computers in offices. For emails, you must have heard the word email before, and then for writing letters, notices, for doing calculations, for storing information about work and the people who do the work. So this is an office scene where you can see they are using computers for different things. We also use computers in hotels. What do we use them for? Storing information like the names and addresses and room numbers of the guests, for making bills. And we use computers in hospitals. So you can see in these pictures, they are using it in a hotel and then in a hospital for storing information about patients. What is a patient? Who is a patient? A patient is a person who is getting treated, who might be sick, right? And doctors take care of them. So doctors, medicine, all this information is stored in a computer for doing different tests, for making reports and bills. We use computers at railway stations for making tickets, and you can see the photo of a railway station. The train has come on the platform, so we use it to make tickets, for helping us know when a train will come and when it will leave, for making charts that show our seat numbers. We use computers at airports. You can see the photo here, for making tickets, for helping us know when a flight will come and when it will leave, for giving seat numbers when we check in. So you can see all of these, they are using a computer for it. Now here, a little mouse is telling us something. We can use a computer to book train, flight, or movie tickets from home. And some of your parents do that, and so you know how much a computer can be used for all these things. Now, the other place we use computers is banks. Computers keep information about the money people have in banks. Libraries, computers store information about the books in a library. So you can see the bank is using a computer and a library is also using a computer. What are some other uses of computer? If you see the photos, you will probably be able to guess. Computers help us design things like books, clothes, houses and machines. And computers also help us make movies and cartoons. So there are many uses of computers, and as the chapters go on, we will learn more. But this is your lesson for today. So as a recap, let's see where are computers used. Computers are used in, you can say it before I write it, but it's used in homes. Computers are used in schools. Computers are used in hotels. Okay. They are used in shops. Computers are used in offices. Computers are used in hospitals. All big spellings for you to learn and remember, because you will need these in the future as well. Then computers are used in railway stations. Now this is another new spelling for some of you. So railway stations. And then computers are used at airports. Computers are also used at banks and also at libraries. So you can see how many places the computer is used, right? It's used a lot and it's very, very useful for us. So remember how useful a computer is, and we will as we do the other chapters in the book. Okay, this is all for your lesson for today, and we will talk again in a few days.